shoot, we got one! We got a train! Oh, we got one. Yes! We fucking got one! Hoping it don't cut out this time. Yeah, we got one. Yes! I'm happy. I'm super freaking happy right now. I'm happy. I'm fucking happy. Please. Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! We got Norfolk Southern and a couple Bnsfs on it. I'm so fucking happy. He blew the horn. We got him to blow the horn too. This might be a long train, I don't know, guys. It's a mixed freight train, that's for sure. They have to go slow because there's workers. But yeah, we got a freight train. I'm hoping there's a DPU on this one, hopefully. Maybe there is, I don't know. Let's see.